welcome to Alphon. We are now going to be trading a little here at Pocket Option or Binary Option. Just wait a little, I need to see that everything is in order, so we are live. Let me see. There seems like we are live. I will just wait to see if someone joins us very soon. I'll get myself some water while I wait for someone to join in. Still no one here. Meanwhile, I can start to prepare everything. Let's see. Let's close the pairs here. Let's choose the best ones. We do not choose any OTC. So let's take this one. We just put a star on the ones we want. Basically choose every best pair that is known OTC. And we can take this 17.9. There I think we have enough pairs. Then we can see if we find some trading opportunities. This might be a good resistance zone because you see here was a strong support area. It's too early to trade yet, but what we can do, we can at least mark it. So let's say there. The way it looks like at least right now. And let's see. And to there. We are not trading yet. This is just a potential trading for later. Now let's see if someone will join in. Google says 0, but let's see. So you see, he's respecting, so this might be something, but we need to wait and see. Can also be that he have broken, that he is now up above it, so we need to, I would prefer if this could turn a little more red and come down here and go up like this. So for now, but let's wait, this is not tradable right now, by the way. Up here, we might have something, let's see. From there to about there. Let's zoom out. That looks beautiful. We will take a trade up there. So if this bar now come up to this region here, we will push down. Let's see. We pinned our line, but we need to come above it. Let's see. We are aware that it's a small trend going upwards, but we still have some space. If we can go one more push up, we'll take it. We need him to cross this line, then we'll put entry. We are in there. That's the first trade of the day. We got a perfect trade there. You can see where we are in. While we wait for that one, we can look at something else. See if we can find ourselves some more trades. I start to like this region down here. I need to see if this one first will respect this line. What we can do, we can mark it. Let's see, around, let's see, I don't know. I think I will need to be there. To about, let's see, to about there. Let me see here now. I think that can be something. Now, did we win the trade, by the way? we won it. Perfect. So we are now $80 in profit. So a good start. Now let me see if someone have joined. Strangely enough, it says 0 people here in studio on YouTube. Let's see. Wait. Okay, there's someone here I want to join. Let's see. I will give a new link. Let me see. Wait a little. Yeah. Let's see. Now let me see. Let me make sure. Let's see. Sorry for that. A little someone here that is a problem to join. Let's see here. Maybe this area here. Let's see. Have an entry down around there. Let's see. If a little more, I'll take a trade. Let's see. There, we are in. Now we just need to wait and see. looks like we're getting another winner here now. That's the second trade of the day. We have a deep in the money trade here now. It is only 57%, so we'll not try this one more. We'll remove it. And there we got it. 2 trades, 2 winners. Another sweet trade. So plus 57, $137. Let me see here now. Check something. Yeah, it's working good. So this is broken, so we'll continue. Now let's see here. This area here looks pretty darn nice. Let's take 2 lines there. He's breaking it now, so we would not have taken a trade there, by the way. When they cross too hard, they don't do. So let's continue. Let's see here. Okay. I think I like the area up there. Let's draw a line there. Let's see. From there to about there. I want to need to test first, of course. See how we behave. He did cross that pretty hard, so we will move the line a little more to around there. That's a nice area. So we need 1 test up here before we can take a trader. So let's see. Now someone came in. Okay. So as you can see, we have taken 2 trades till now, 2 winners. We have drawn the area up here. So we are waiting. We need 1 test before we can trade up here. This is for dollar against Canadian dollar. So let's wait and see. The reason for the area we have now, we always look back to the left. We count the winners against losers, and we see that we have a pretty decent win rate if we have in this area. An entry for me here would be more in the middle area, but any part in between these 2 lines here should be good. But like I said, we only can trade here if we first can get 1 nice test of it first. But now as we're moving away, let's move along. So let's check Canadian against Japanese yen. here I basically see nothing. We see we have a steep trend going on. Always when you can, just draw the trend lines. It's that can save you a lot of money, because if you're deciding to trade a special area here, you will get a pressure. Let's say, for example, you are trading this area here, this resistance here. You'll come into a squeeze and you will need to choose to break up or to break to the downside. So when you can, always draw these trend lines. Now let's see here what you can do. Sorry, I'm a little tired. This is my second live session today. We do like the one up here, but we need a test first, so let's move on. This one we have traded before today. We also see we have a trend, so let's mark the trend. Let's see. I do not like this, how you draw the trends on this broker. It's a little annoying, but we do the best we can with it. There, let's see, something like, let's say, there. Don't need to be perfect, something like this. So you see we very soon will get a squeeze here, but at least we can trade for a couple of more minutes. So if you come on this region now, I'll take a trade. But if you start to come around here, the market will need to choose if you're going to break to the downside or if you're going to break to the upside. So let's see, but for now, this area up here is interesting. But like I said, probably just for a couple of minutes, you can trade that now. So now let's see. Also, this area here is pretty good. We have a quite good support here, but we will not come down there no more now because of this trend line. And also, if you choose to break down, sometimes when you break the trend line, he will break very hard and probably can go all the way down here. So this area is not good for us more. So currently, just the one up here, but need to happen very soon. So let's see. We have already been trading for 17 minutes. I'll do as long as I manage. Like I said, I'm super tired and I have a lot of more work I need to do today. I'm also going to make a video, going to set up a robot to be trading on this account. So that's something also. So let's see. And it's never a good idea either to trade when you're so tired like I'm now. I should have some energy drink or something. Maybe I'll need to make myself a coffee. Take a 5 minutes break into that, but let's see. No, we might get a trade here soon now. I think we'll trade it on this bar and then next, and maybe one more. Let's see, I'll decide. Just break this area there and we might get up there. Let's see. Make sure to see if you push here, switch experience mode. Make sure you don't have the flag, make sure you have the timer thing and have it put to 1 minute. Okay. And about the amount you should trade, trade max 2% of your balance. You see I don't trade 2% because if I trade more than $100, $200, my emotions go crazy. So I keep to that amount. You need to figure out your limit, but keep it to max at least 2% of your balance. So if your balance is, for example, $100, max $2 trades. Okay. Give you some room because we do not win every single trade. As you can see here, I don't win every single trade. You see some losses here. My win rate is around 7 and 8 wins for each 10 trades. So see, we are doing good in the start, but I can easily lose 2 trades in a row now. Just so you're aware of that. So that's why I trade only 2%. Okay. This is so you don't break your account. You should not trade with much because you think that I will win the next trade. Probably I'll win the next trade, but I can also lose it. So don't go in too hard. Now, let's see. It is a decent resistant area here that we need to break. But still, we will take the one up here. So it's a little waiting game here now. There, now I'm ready. little more up. We are pinning our line, you see it there. I go in, I'm in there now with the trade. Let's put open, now we can follow. While we wait this one, I'll go and make myself some coffee. Let's see, let's hope we get the winner again. Now let's see, we are deep in the money. We have 10 seconds left. Looks like we're getting another beautiful trade here. And just like that, another $80 profit. So let's bring up our calculator. Plus 80. We have now $217 in profit. That was a nice trade. Also, just confirm in the chat when you have taken a trade. If you did take the same trade like me and you won, because everyone that take this trade here now, you should have won. By the way, I don't think you'll trade more now because the squeeze will start to come. So I don't think it's a good area to trade more. So let's skip this one for now. We need to see if he'll break to the upside or to the downside. So no more trades here, okay? Now we'll check the chat. So just write in the chat if you won or not, that I would like. We are not many people here, so as I started to do this private, not many people are joining in, but I hope will be more people later. But I would appreciate if you just tell me if you did take the trade and if you won. That is a good for me to know. Then let's move on. Let's see if we can find something else we can trade. Okay, we are going in a very strong sideways market here. Let me see. Always when you try to look a little to left. Let's see here now. I would say this is not a good area. It does not fit so good with the Z-Haven, does not make sense. So I would stay away from this one. Let's take dollar against euro against dollar. Let's see. I do like the area in top here. That one looks pretty good for my eyes. But we are far away from that. So where we are currently, you can see that it's a resistant here and over here. So as it breaks the downside, maybe this support now here now will be turned resistant. Let's see. He's testing it pretty hard here now. I don't think he should break up that easily now. I think he would stop there. Let's see. But it's two small areas. It's nothing I will trade currently, by the way. So let's move on. Let's see if I find something better. Okay. Let's see here. Okay, let's mark here. Let's see. Do you know what? This area doesn't look that bad for me. Let's see. Oi. Que chato. There. This one. And this is very annoying. There. I like it. So here I would like to try to get an entry. The current move is upwards, so if you can get an entry around in the bottom of these bars here, I would love that. So let's see. That's my next move, is take a trade here. Let's see. So now I just need a waiting game again. So entry. Do you know what? I can do things even better. Let's take one more line. Here my coffee's done, so I need to go and get it. A white line. I will push when the bar comes down to this white line. I'll just get my coffee, be right back. Now let's see. We might get a trader now. I'm ready. I was a little slow on the trigger there. There, right there will be the entry. My entry is exactly on the green line. I should have waited a little, but let's see. He's pushing hard down now. So if you got your entry on the white line, you're in the money. But if you're like me on the green, there we are in the money. Good, let's hope this was the push down. That annoys me that I got this bad entry. Let's see. Now he's in the bottom green line. Now we all are out of the money. Will this... Oh, he closed it there. That's not nice. Let's see. Looks like we're getting the first loss of the day. As long as he don't shoot up now. I lost it. If you were in the white line, probably you got a zero trade or you lost it. I'm not sure. You see, he exactly on the white line there. So that was a little annoying. At least I lost it, so I'll put that in my calculation. Minus 100. So my profit is now 117. So we have till now 3 winners and 1 loser. This one was a close one. If I just got the entry I did go for, I should maybe get a zero trade here. Zero trade means that I will just get back the money that I put in. I think I will go one more time. This time I will go for the lower line. If you get down there, let's see. Lower green line, I go for now. So we can basically just move this one there. So we go for the white line. Let's see. We just need to wait. What I like with this broker here, that you can put this alarm thing. So if you're following one, you can just put alarm that when you come to that area here, for example, you go alarm for you, and you can jump over to this one if you're checking another ones. Plus you can split your screen to move the chart. I don't do that in my live sessions. I can do that in normal because I have a huge screen. But some of you can be on small tablets or cell phone or small computers, and then will be too small for you, so that's why I don't do that. We are ready to take a trade. We came down to our previous entry. You know what? I'll take it there. Let's see if I can get a trade there. Let's see. I did like that he tested just there. Let's see. There. Oh, and I got a bad entry again. So annoying, I got it here. Same place like last time. But this time he's going strong upwards, so let's hope he continue with that. Let's push open and follow. It's 47 seconds, it's quite a lot. No, don't go more down now. We don't need that. We need to keep strong. Okay. I'll take one more there. Now let's see what he will do. just start to go a little more up, we will be golden. Looks like we're losing the first. That was annoying. Well, let's see, minus 100. And I'm at 17. Let's check. Ah, no. No, don't do that. Four, three, two, and we got it. Sweet. Cha-cha! So then we got $87 there at least, so still $104 profit. Let's move on. I will trade more on that one. Here is another one. I will trade up here if we get up there again. Well, let's see. So entry, I would say. Let's make a line to make this for you. Entry, I would say there. Let's make that one to a white line. So if you can come up to this white line there, I would take a trade. So we need to get up. If you can pin this white line, we just push lower. Let's see. Well, let's see. At least got some coffee to wake up. So now we are a little sharper. Let's see. So, by the way, don't mind that there probably is like a 10 seconds delay on YouTube. That does not matter at all. We have the specific areas going to trade. So look at your own bars, don't look at mine. When your bar come up to this white line, we are going in. Here is the one rule. If for some reason this bar here now should pass it and should faster than you manage to react, do not take the trade, because then there's a big chance it will continue upwards. Only take if you come up to this line, and that's it. Okay. If you come to this upper green line, also completely okay. Then you can get a better entry. But our area that you're interested to trade is between these two green lines here, not above here, not below here. Okay. Now let's see. And if you have any questions, it's just ask me at YouTube, or you can ask me in Discord later, and I will reply. But it's best if you reply while we are live, because then it's easier for me to explain what's going on. So just any question, there are no question are too stupid. Just ask. We are moving a little too much away from our line, so let's move on. Let's see if we can find something else. Okay, he's testing the upper area here. I will now mark next interest area. Does not mean that we're going to trade there. We need to see what's going on to happen. But I will do like I did before. Let's take one more line, make it white. That will be more like entry area. And if you wonder why I put 3 lines, that's because it's not always, as you can see, we get the entry you want. So now we just there, he pinned, we are not taking a trade, just relax. We need him now to calm down below or on this green line, and then on the next time we can take the trade. Okay, so just take it easy. You need to have always one pin before we can start trading. So the next time when this bar close, as long as close below this green line, next time come up to the white line, we take it. Okay, so now if come to the white line, I take it. Let's see. And like I said, any entry in between these green lines are good, but I'm trying there. I got a very good entry. I think I got it on the upper line. Very good. While we wait for that one, I will move on, see if I can find something else. We are a little proactive. We let this one be running. We can see if we win, we can trade more. If we lose, then just forget about it. Okay. Now let's see if we can find ourselves something else. Always look to the left. See how this area have been in the past. Problem here, we see that we have a trend going downwards. So here you get like a market, so it's easy for you to see. Let's see if we take this one here, something like this. We draw it here. So if you were considering taking a trade in this area here, you see that's not a good idea, because you see here will come to a squeeze. So now he will need to choose, will he break the downside or will he break the upside? So when you see something like this, always make sure you draw this trend line, that you don't just trade a support line, because if you trade just support line, you will lose money. Now let's see, I think we won that trade. Sweet, we got another $80. So we are now up in $184. Sweet. Let's go back and see if we can have some more trades there. We still have a lot of space, so the squeeze, I'm not too worried about that one. I would say now entry on the upper line is what you go for. So let's wait and see. If you get the entry on the upper line, I think we're good, because you see now, let's see how the market a little different. Let's take this one up there and entry there. And I will say this one now there. Okay, so any entry is good in between these two lines, but we prefer to get on the white line. So let's see. Now it's a little waiting game again. Win rate today, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 out of 7. So it's a decent win rate. We will see only when we reach 10 trades. If you're keeping our 7, 8 wins out of 10 trades, because so we have room for one loss more for 10 trades. Let me see if there are any questions. Seems like there are no questions. Okay. We have now been live for 40 minutes. I'll trade a little more. So once again, if the bar come up to this white line, we will go with the lower. I find us quite spacey here, much space. I think we can trade it for a few more minutes. Let me see how much time we have left. Let's say 15, let's see. I think we can trade it easily more 10 minutes in this one, before the squeeze get too strong for us. So almost the rest of the live session we can be trading here, as long as it don't start to go too much down. Now we are still close enough that he can shoot up anytime, so we just are staying ready to push lower. Let's see. I started myself, by the way, with just $100. You see, we have built it up to 47,000. This is all done manually with live sessions, so everything is documented live. And now, when that is said, today I will start to trade with the robot on live account. So this balance will, from day on, will change a little based on robot also. But for now, I think it's good the way it is. That you manage that, I think, is quite cool. This is an example for when you're not going to push. You see he shot faster than he managed to go down and react. So now we just need this one to calm down, close down here, and then re-evaluate, because you see here, the green there is the highest point, and now it chose to go higher. That's not a good, that's not good. So you see also he closed it high here. You can see he have never done that before. That's a bad idea, because now it's a big chance he tests this support. This will not turn into support, and it's a huge chance he will now continue upwards. So we are done trading with this one for now. Okay. If you did take a trade, so looks like you're getting lucky, but just know in the future, if you shoot past the lines, you are not supposed to take a trade. Okay. Here we have the same I've been talking about, that you always, if you can, you need to take the line here. See, we can draw it a little different. I think we can draw it something like this. This is just a break, but you go straight up again, so the trend line go here. So if you're considering trading in this region here, because it says yes, it is a quite nice area around here, but you see the squeeze is very hard coming, and he will need to choose if he's going to break to the upside or to the downside. That's why I will not trade this area. I will mark it so you can see it easier, what I was thinking about. You can see around here up to about there. It's a nice area. You see here, respected from the upper side, respected. But now, as you come into a squeeze here now, it's a little dangerous. Maybe on this bar we can take it on the upper line, but we need to have it on the upper line here. So let's make this one white. If happen on this bar we are now, but there come a new bar, we are done. We can't take it. Now the squeeze will come and we'll need to choose. Okay, so let's move on. See here, you have a trend downwards. Okay, I can mark it if you don't see it. I will mark because this is something you need to learn your eyes to see, because you will save a lot of money if you start to see these type of things. So here, so if you're considering trading anything down here later, let's say you see this beautiful support here. Later on, if then come a squeeze here and need to choose, going to break up, like he did now, basically while he was sucking. You see what happened? When he break the line, he break it very hard. Do you see? It's not even a question. He break it hard and that's it. Or this can be a fake out now if you come and close inside here again. But yes, always be aware. Now you see here, close it outside. So be aware. Always draw your trend lines when you can. You save a lot of money doing so. Now let's see. I've had a big move recently, so we can trade here. Big move down. Let's see how this looks like in the downside. We do have a support here, but how good is it really? Let's get rid of this white line. I will just mark it and we can have a look. Let's see here now. 3, 4 winners, 1 loser, 4 against 2, 1, 2. It's 6 against 2. It's decent. Here also, once again, if you don't see it, I'll do it for you. See, there. This might be a trend. Looks like it for me. It's better to draw it and follow, because here will come a squeeze very hard. More you do this, you will see that there are almost trends all the time. Small trends, big trends, and make sure you mark them, because that will save a lot of money. Like here now, we need to be careful. I think we can take 1 more minute here, but after that we need to stop. So if this won't come down in this region, I will take it. Now for the upside. Let me have a look. We might, let me see. I will put 2 more lines. Let's see, around there to about there. Let's see. If we come up to this line, I'll take a trade. I was a little slow in my trigger there, and he broke it. I thought this would be a good area. I really thought. I'm surprised that he broke so easily up, even past the start of the trend. It's not normal. But let's see. Does not mean we lost this one yet, but it's 30 seconds left. He closed it high. That's not a bad sign. Let's see. That means we'll come down to $84 profit only. But at least we are in profit. Let's 13 seconds. Don't looks like he want to break down again. 5, 4. Yeah, that's a loss. Very annoying. Okay, let's put that in the calculation. Minus 100. We are then $84 in profit. Not the best win rate today. Let's see. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Out of 8, we have 3 losers. So if we win 2 more, in a row, we are keeping to the win rate I promote myself to have. So we are still within. You see, we have 3 losses and we have 5 winners. So still within. If you can win 2 in a row, and that I think we can easily do. If you find something, of course. Let's see. Need to find something good, of course. This region there, not. I don't like this bar here. It's a little crazy. So I'd rather not. Let's see here now. This will turn into support now. And Canadian against Japanese yen. Don't really see nothing. How are we in time? Okay, we have still a few minutes left. I think we still can get 2 more trades. Let's see. Currently there are nothing that spikes my interest. Can't see nothing that really is a good region. This is, if it was not for this one, this is actually not so bad. Let's mark it and have a look. From there, let's put down 1 more to about there. Do you know what? It's not that bad. Let's move this. I was too slow on the trigger there. I should have pushed. I was too worried about drawing up this trend line. something like this. Let's see. That was a good entry. Let's see. Oh, and I got a bad entry on the lower line. Should be good enough. Should be good enough. Most of the time, you see he closed below it. Just over here was one higher. So let's see. I believe that should be good for us. Let's wait and see. 30 more seconds. If I had got it where I wanted, we would be golden. But we are in the lower line. We see he sometimes closed there. So as long as he do what he's doing now, we are deep in the money. 20 more seconds. I'll get myself water while we wait this. And we won that one, sweet. I'm not trading more now, let's see. I'll just do the calculation and I will re-evaluate if you can trade more. Plus 87, so we are now $171 profit. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 winners against 3 losers. Perfect. I think the squeeze will come here now. I'm too worried to take another trade here. I think against all my reasoning, I don't want to take more trade, because we also see that he's have a little tendency to go higher and higher. So I think we stay away from this one for now. Let's see if we can find something more. Remove this trend line here. Now let's see. I'm looking now in the bottom area here. If we have an area that could be good for us. I'm looking this area. Let's see. Where I'm looking is from there to about there. We have a test now, let's see. Depending where this bar close, he tested on the lower area. If we go past here now, we are not interested. Okay, now, there's it. That's why we need always to wait and see how a bar do. So this did go too far down, so here we are done with that one. Let's continue. Let me see if there are any questions. No questions. Then let's continue. Now he's testing this bottom area here. It is a good support area also, but not that good. We see he broke it quite many times, so it's not good enough win rate for us. Let's move on to the start. Yeah, back to start. This is more like this old games if you played. You throw this, I don't know the name in English. In Norwegian it's terning. It's this ladder games, you know, and you go and you fall, and then you fall down to start again. Sometimes we just get to start again. Okay, I don't like what I'm seeing here. He's not behaving good. He broke the upside very easily, just with one try. So we move on. Now here, let's see if we have something in that area from the past. So we have no information to based on, so we can't say if this is a good support or not. So let's move on. Now let's see here. This area might have some more information. Let's see. Do you know what? It's actually not that bad. You see when it comes down to around this area, we get refusement. So I think if you can come down to this white line here, I will take a trade up, that is. You need to break this small support here to come to the stronger one here. See, this was a resistance before, now it's turn support, so this support is there. We have no trends, nothing to think about. Yes, we have this upward trend, but that will work in our favor this time actually. So when it come down here, we get a push from this trend line and push from this support. So in a way, this is actually good for us. So let's see. But I see now the time is running away. We are actually done for today. So I hope you did enjoy. I hope you made some money. I will be back again next Monday. I did not have a live session this Monday because I was Hopper Guide. But as could not Monday, I did take it today. So, but next Monday there will be a live session again. So make sure you tune in then and let's make some more money. Have an amazing day.